Hi friends, today I'm going to teach you what is encapsulation. So, encapsulation is a principle of wrapping data variables and put together as a single unit. Okay, it is a combination of data hiding and abstraction. So, we are creating the program of encapsulation. So just we are creating the class encapsulation, right? And we are creating their private variable like ssn, private int emp name, and private string, sorry, private string emp name and private int emp age, right? So we just create the getter and setter method for these all. Go to the source and generate getter and setter. Select all and then click OK. So we just create our getter and setter method. Now we just call this. So we are creating the object of our class, parent class. So encapsulation object equal to new encapsulation, right? And now we are set the variables value object dot set emp age 23 obj dot set emp name id and obj dot set now we are two, right? So now that one is our roll number. So we just get this right 22222. Now we are access. So you just simply sys out and control press space. Sys out and space. Enter. So we just write system.out.println. Now we are getting the values. So we just write employee age plus sign and using obj.get age, right? Just copy and paste this and send the obj age, obj employee name and employee and roll number. Now we just change the method obj.get name and obj.get, right? And now we are just run our program and see the output. Our output is age 23, name Harry, and then roll number is 222, right? So we just wrapping the data. Okay, we are using the third variable and these three variables are private. Okay, so now we just create the variables and call the methods and using getter setter method for accessing data. So that one is the example of encapsulation. Just remember it, encapsulation nothing but data hiding plus abstraction, right? Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video.